Hi. If you could get a free bundle from the new Stampin' Up! Catalog, what would you choose? Maybe the jar of flowers with the wonderful punch. Maybe the birds and branches. You can see I'm already using a bunch of these things. Or maybe it would be the beautiful world with the globe. Or Forever Fern. Or the one I'm currently working on is Celebrate Sunflowers, and it's missing some of the dies because I have them out. This is a $51, $25 stamp set, or a bundle. And Stampin' Up! Announced that you get to pick a bundle free if you buy the starter kit. This is Karen from Stamping on the Back Porch, in case I didn't say that, but just wanted to let you know, before you place your first order in the catalog, just ask yourself, would this be the time that I would just want to buy the starter kit? I just want you to know you are always welcome. You are always invited to join my team. I am here to support whatever you want. And you can do it just to buy for yourself. You are not signing your life away, and there's no risk, no obligation. Great thing to try. So for $99, you get to pick $125 worth of any product you want. And that's what we always have. And then there's free shipping, so that saves you $10. But now in addition, you can add like this, a $50 bundle for free. So and when you add the tax and shipping to that, the shipping to that, it's really, it's a big savings. It's a big deal. And then after that, you get a 20% discount. We have a great active Facebook group where we just help each other out and support whatever we want. And we do our lots of challenges, and you get invited to join all my classes. So anyway, if you've been thinking about it, I'd love to have you give me a call, 612-929-1277, or message me. I would love to chat and answer any questions and just be there to support you. And I would love to welcome you with a little happy mail from me. So just be thinking about that as this is our countdown time. Thanks for watching, Karen.